Welcome back to Naturalhub channel, where we delve into the natural world's extraordinary healing powers. Today, we're embarking on an enlightening journey into the realm of stinging nettles, uncovering their remarkable natural remedies and health benefits that have captivated healers for centuries. Stinging nettles, scientifically known as Urtica dioica, may seem prickly at first glance, but beneath their stinging exterior lies a treasure trove of nutrients and medicinal compounds that can work wonders for our health and well-being. Let's start by exploring the impressive array of nutrients found in stinging nettles. These plants are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, as well as flavonoids, antioxidants, and vital fatty acids, making them a true nutritional powerhouse. One of the most popular ways to harness the benefits of stinging nettles is by brewing them into a nourishing tea. The leaves and stems, when steeped in hot water, release a plethora of therapeutic compounds, creating a soothing and revitalizing beverage. Beyond tea, stinging nettles can be enjoyed in various forms, such as convenient capsules, potent tinctures, and concentrated extracts. These diverse products offer a convenient way to integrate the benefits of stinging nettles into our daily routines. The healing properties of stinging nettles extend beyond internal use. Nettle oil and creams, prized for their anti-inflammatory and soothing effects, are commonly used to alleviate skin irritations like rashes, eczema, and insect bites. Incorporating stinging nettles into my wellness routine has been life-changing. I've noticed a significant boost in my energy levels, improved joint comfort, and overall vitality. It's truly a natural wonder. While stinging nettles offer a myriad of benefits, it's crucial to approach their use mindfully. Consulting with a healthcare professional is essential, especially for individuals with existing health conditions or those taking medications. Beyond their nutritional value and topical applications, stinging nettles have garnered attention for their potential health benefits. Studies suggest they may support joint health, promote a robust immune system, and offer relief from seasonal allergies. As we conclude our exploration of stinging nettles and their incredible natural remedies and health benefits, let's remember that nature provides us with a wealth of healing resources. Stinging nettles stand as a testament to the profound synergy between humans and the plant kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into natural remedies and holistic wellness.